Tremco Canada has been taking care of business since 1930, keeping people dry with a roof over their heads. Quietly going about the kind of unsung, essential work that maintains peace of mind. Starting in 1999, Tremco has also been making a quiet impact on mental health, becoming one of the first businesses to lend its name and efforts to fundraising for the Centre for Addiction and Mental Health. From the rooftops to their factory floor, the 400 employees of this business have fashioned a lasting relationship with CAMH.
So what the heck does mental health have to do with roofing?
Well, very much like mental health, roof is the neglected and ignored part of the building envelope, and nobody wants to pay attention to it.
Until
it leaks, until there's a problem. And then it's an issue, then it's a major issue. When we first started this endeavor in 1999, it was just a small group of us having lunch, said, we should do something to get involved in the community. And we thought, well, let's have a golf tournament. And then we thought, well, what will we support?
There are a lot of worthy causes competing for their attention.
One of my co-workers, Bill Corrigan, said, well, what about the Centre for Addiction and Mental Health? And it just seemed to be a perfect fit because people ignore mental health, they don't want to deal with mental health, and nobody really cares about roofing. And that was the connection. Really, that's how we determined to support the Centre for Addiction and Mental Health.
But it obviously had a resonance if everybody went, yeah, let's support CAMH.
Absolutely, because every organization and every family has to have had somebody, a loved one or a friend or a peer, who has had mental health issues. It's been quite a revelation when you see how it affects people.
But it's more than donating money. When it comes to mental health and their own employees, Tremco walks the walk. There's a 24-hour telephone line for any worker experiencing emotional issues, and they've partnered with CAMH to offer training and workshops so both managers and staff understand and recognize mental health issues in the workplace.
Have you noticed changes?
Absolutely. When we started, then when we told people that we were going to run this tournament in support of CAMH, a lot of people said, well, who are they? And what do they do? And then we would explain it to them. Today, that's not necessary. Their profile across Canada is risen exponentially. And we're honored, deeply honored to be associated with them, and also for this recognition that we're getting. It's a badge of honor which we will hold highly certainly for the rest of my life, and as a corporation, we're very proud of that.